Chloe, what are we doing today?
We're going to go to the beach, and even though there's someone here.
Who is that?
Angel.
You excited?
Yes.
All right. How you doing, Chloe?
Keep them right here so I can't use my hands, okay? Watch my hands.
I know it's somebody.
You know it's somebody? Well, who would it be? Freddie, he's sleeping.
Chloe, where are we at?
We're in the restaurant.
What's the restaurant?
Game's inside of it over there.
What kind of food are we getting?
Pizza.
Are you excited?
I want to play games.
There she is. You're okay. You're okay. Woo! Now we gotta wash off. What happened? You're okay. You're okay. Stand up. Now you're all clean. You have fun, Fred?
I really had fun in the ocean.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Freddie, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Thumbs up? Yeah. Hey, Chloe. What was your favorite part of the beach today?
My favorite part was the water.
What about the water?
When I buried myself.
You buried yourself?
And then I break down.
And you what?
Break down.
Oh, you broke out. Would you give today a thumbs up? Just one? Two? All right.
Are you ready? Yeah, I got both my hands on your knee. It's not me.
I know, and now you and someone back there.